Hello everyone, welcome to tutorial 2. Today I am showing you how to measure the two different unknown sources flux and using the point concentrations in this video. So let's start. Previous video I will show you how to measure the only single one sources value. Today I am showing you the another source value. So that's why I need a new shape. In the new shape you have to change the color of the source. I choose this one, and obviously if you want you can choose the another gases in the different sources. Suppose I choose methane in here, and obviously it's unknown. Last video I used this concentration sensor. Today video I will use this concentration sensor. Suppose I took this concentration sensor and I double click here, then must be height is 1, because in the previous concentration sensor I used the height here 1, starting height is 1 and the end height is 1, so that's why I need to set the height of the another concentration sensor must be 1. Then species is methane and measurement is, suppose it's 2.5. I took the by default value here. That's all. Now I check the status. There is no errors and other notice. That means my project is okay. If I want, I can click here for run my project. So let's see. This simulation is done, and if I want to, I can check the emission rate. Here carbon dioxide, in the first source, this source's carbon dioxide rate is 0.3287. This is the flux, and another is 0.9061. That means this simulation is working. If I want, I can change this position. Suppose here we are showing the x value is 32.2 and y value is 7.6. If you change the concentration sensor position from here to there, so it will change the value of this surface area. Okay, it's already changed. Before it's 0.9 something, now its emission rate is 0.6946. That's all. Next video I will showing you how to draw a area, then how can I draw the sources inside the area. So that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.